welcome and welcome back. If you guys really want to know how I did this hairstyle, stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm gonna be trying this new it's not new, but I never tried it before, and it's the extreme gel. Cause I don't know, like normally I use Echo. I use Echo all the time. Since I've been natural like 4-5 years, I only use Echo, but I want to try this extreme because I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers and TikTokers use it all the time. So I was like, I want to see which one is best for my hair. So I bought this small one because I was like, if I love it, then this is gonna be my new gel. It's gonna be my new gel. So guys, we're trying to do a no part bun. I'm not sure if I'm doing it like a puff form or a bun, but yeah. Oh my god, I have so much hair, like I can't believe it, bruh. I feel like this is a very easy tutorial, but when you have so much hair like me, it's like, come on. Like my hand can't even go over my hair no more, almost. Like, but okay. Damn, I have so much hair. Like, look at that. As you guys can see, my edges are already laid. Y'all try and guess. I try to do 2 videos in one because baby, to be getting ready all the time to do a video is so I try to kill 2 in one time. But guys, try guess. But my edges being ready, try guess what's the next video. Okay. So guys, what I like to do first, I just like to tie my hair, and then that's when I go with all the products. And I probably look bumpy or whatever. Guys, I did also tie my hair because it's too much. So first we're gonna go in with the extreme, because normally it's my Eco gel, but we're not using Eco today. I don't want this hairstyle to last a whole week because I do not want to touch my hair. So that's why I'm using all these products, because it needs to last me at least a whole week, please. Like, where you going back, eh? Yo, it's laying. And I like to go with my Gorilla Snort. So my hair could be very slick. I like to go with a fine tooth comb and like literally go over it. My hair needs to pass through it. Like, I do not play with my slickness. But y'all, it's so hot. Like, it's so hot. Now I like to go in with my brush Okay, I feel like it's very much laid. Some more gel. Now I don't take off my tie and try go over it with a brush to like do the final tie. Puffy puff. But I think I want to curl the back, so I'm gonna spray that and add some gel so it can get curly instead of being puffy. Okay, so I did my final tie. I had to tie with my hands so I could like apply my last bit of gel. Okay, now is when I go in with the edge booster because I feel like that's what actually hardens my hair so it could last. Oh my god. So it could last. And also I go in with the got to be. Okay, so while I'm curling the back, I am going to tie down my hair in front so you know it could lock up and stay hard. Let's try curl all of this now.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, high and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, caught a shorty off a Finalcut. Just do on.
Okay, so I tried my best to curl the back. At least it looks a little better. Yo, my hand was giving up on me. Like, I just couldn't. So now I'm gonna take this off. So you guys can see. Ooh, yeah, it's giving.
Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even feel like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. Two-turn baby girl.
I am finished with this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
You claim you want me, but it